Hello students, good morning to everyone. In this class, we will learn derivative of logarithmic function. Here we will apply logarithmic formula to find the derivative of different functions. So exercise 5.5 is based on logarithmic function. Question number 2, find the derivative of this function with respect to x. Derivative of this function can be evaluated with the help of chain rule also, but when we apply here logarithmic formula, this will become very easy. So let us see how to solve these questions. So let y equals to this. Now taking derivative both sides, so taking log both sides, log y equal to 1 by 2 log of x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. We know this exponent comes in product form. So again 1 by 2 log u by v form. So log u minus log v. So log of x minus 1 into x minus 2 minus log of x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Once again we can apply the formula of logarithmic log m into n form. So log m into n equal to log m plus log n. So log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 3 and then plus, but due to this minus sign will change, so log of x minus 4 minus log of x minus 5. Now we can differentiate the function because it became very easy to differentiate. So here we will differentiating both sides with respect to x. So left hand side derivative of log y 1 by y and derivative of y dy by dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2 and derivative of log x minus 1 is 1 by x minus 1 and derivative of x minus 1 with respect to x is 1. Similarly second term 1 by x minus 2 and minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. So dy by dx equals to y into 1 by 2 and 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 plus minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. Here we will replace y by the given function. So at last you replace it, y equal to x minus 1 x minus 2 by x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5 under root by 2 also by 2 and 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. This is your final answer. So next question of the from same exercise, question number 4. Question number 4 is again x, find the derivative of x to the power x and 2 to the power sin x. Find the derivative of x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x, 2 to the power sin x with respect to x. In a similar way we will solve this solution. Let y equals to x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. If you observe the question, here exponent of x is function of x. Similarly, exponent of 2 is function of x. So if we apply here logarithmic formula, the question will become very simple. So for logarithmic formula, we will take two functions separately. Put u equals to x to the power x and v equal to 2 to the power sin x. So now function will become y equal to u minus v. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. So we have to find du by dx and dv by dx. So in this function, if we take log both sides, function will become easy. Taking log both sides, log u equal to x log x, and second function log v is equal to sin x into log 2. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log u 1 by u and derivative of u with respect to x du by dx. Here u into v form, so x unchanged. Now derivative of log x 1 by x plus derivative of x 1 and log x unchanged. So du by dx equals to du by dx equal to u into this x will cancel, so 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x. Now we replace u, so x to the power x 1 plus log x. So this is du by dx. Similarly we will find dv by dx. So again differentiating second function with respect to x, so 1 by v and dv by dx is equal to, now again log 2 is constant, so derivative of sin x cos x into log 2. So dv by dx equal to v, that means 2 to the power sin x, 2 to the power sin x, and log 2 cos x. So we got du by dx and dv by dx. Now we will put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in the original function. So dy by dx equal to du by dx, that means x to the power x 1 plus log x, and second function minus sign, minus second is 2 to the power sin x, and log 2 cos x. So this is the final answer of this question. Now next question number 12 from the same exercise 5.5. Question is here, find the dy by dx of the given function. Again, if you observe the function, exponent of this x is variable y and exponent of y is again variable x. So in this situation we take log to make the question easier. So again we will take a first term u and second term v. So let u equal to x to the power y and v equal to y to the power x. Now this function becomes u plus v equal to 1. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, du by dx plus dv by dx equal to derivative of 1 with respect to x is 0. So here taking log both sides, in both the functions. So in first function log u equal to y will come in product form, so y log x. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, so derivative of log u 1 by u and derivative of u with respect to x du by dx. In the right hand side u into v form, so first function unchanged, derivative of log x 1 by x plus now derivative of first function dy by dx and second function unchanged, that is log x. So du by dx equal to u, that means x to the power y into y by x plus log x dy by dx. So this is du by dx. Similarly we will find dv by dx. For dv by dx again we will take log, so log v equal to x log y. Again differentiating both sides with respect to x, 1 by v log dv by dx equal to u into v for first function unchanged, derivative of log y 1 by y and derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx, and plus derivative of first function, that is 1 and log y unchanged. So dv by dx equal to v, that means y to the power x, and here x by y dy by dx plus log y. So now we will put the value of du by dx and dv by dx to find that value of dy by dx. So I am here. Now we will put the value of du by dx and dv by dx in the original function. So this will become x to the power y and y by x plus log x dy by dx plus y by y to the power x and x by y dy by dx and plus log y is equal to 0. We have to find dy by dx, so dy by dx terms we should keep in the left hand side and take common. Dy by dx is common from here, so x to the power y log x, and from here plus y x into y to the power x minus 1 from here. Now, and this term we will shift right hand side, so this term minus sign and x to the power y minus 1 into y and plus this term, so y to the power x log y. Now dy by dx equals to dy by dx equal to minus sign. Just copy down the things which we have simplified. Y x to the power y minus 1 into y and plus y to the power x log y by x to the power y log x plus x y to the power x minus 1. So this is the final answer of this question. I hope you can solve the remaining question of the exercise. Okay, thank you.